Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Please like this video, subscribe, get notified.
Hi to everyone, my name is Vaishni. My study is 10th class. Today I explain the sum. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, they will use 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. But 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Solution. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is equal to adjacent by opposite side. Let AB is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 8. ABC B is equal to 19. Adjacent side, opposite side. AC square is equal to BC square is equal to plus AB square which is equal to BC square. 8 square plus AB square 7 square is equal to 8 cubes are 64 plus 7 cubes are 49. AC square is equal to 130. AC is equal to root 130. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side is equal to opposite side 8 by hypotenuse side 8. Opposite side
for watching.
BC
Please subscribe, like,
hypotenuse side
share.
AC is equal to BC 8 by AC root 130. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse side is equal to A6 by AB by AC is equal to AB 7 by AC root 30. One plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus